bet your ass I'm going to find you. Hey! Hey! You can't park there! I don't want to walk! Well, wants to make me walk, ooh la la. He is not happy, boy. What's going on, fucking? It rained like a motherfucker, as you can see, so, I'm gonna go find something to play in. I probably should have put rubbers on. Thinking about it, I gotta go get rubbers. Fuck that. And air. I forgot to put air in my tire. That would have sucked. My throttle cable's sticking like a son of a bitch. Just like that. Oh, fuck. What an adventure already. I already know I put way too much air in these fucking things, but I just clean it up there. Here though, I thought this is for sure where they would have been coming. Oh! I just got bullied by a fucking tree. How am I getting bullied by a tree? I'm on a Honda. Narrow bridge. Well, let's go find this fucking narrow bridge. Wait. Hey. I don't know about you, but these are usually important. It's okay, little Honda. It's normal. Whoa! Alright, now that the gas cap's all covered in dirt, let's put it back on. Just kidding, just kidding. Or am I? Because this bitch is just getting slapped back on. I don't give a fuck. Carb will eat it. It's a Honda. Do I have enough gas to keep going? Am I even going to get to the pit, or am I just fucking dinkleberried? I might actually be dinkleberried. Fuck it. If at first you don't succeed, walk home. Ooh. I don't know about you guys, but that's not lots of fuel. Why did they even put this side of the fucking tank on there? That's so useless. I mean, why? Make me tip my fucking bike upside down. Now how far can we go? Another 10 kilometers. Holy fuck, boys, we just hit reserve. We're golden. What's the Kyle man saying? Class is gay. Gotta work on a ton of stool stuff today, unfortunately. How'd I know it? Womp womp. Alright, well, we've got a full tank of reserve, so. I can put my three-wheeler in that. So I found the pit, and very well posted. No trespassing. So I'm just gonna go look for houses. And obviously, if there's a house right fucking beside it, I don't want to be, ripping around just screaming, because what is this? No dumping allowed under bylaw. Make the bike nice and quiet. Someone cut those recently. Wait, this isn't even part of the pit? Yes, it is. And we're in. I might get lost. Wait, and we're out. Wait, what? This is someone's private property. I'm pretty sure that's a hunting shack. Okay, this is kind of cool. Hopefully I don't get shot from that little shack, but there's a woodpecker. I'm gonna get so much shit when they fucking drive by and see me in here. Like, this is really cool. That was the last thing I wanted to have happen, was my bike shut off. Let's get the fuck out of here. That might hurt. But then again, it might not. no dirt bike tracks and nothing in it though, so I don't, like, that's definitely one that people know they aren't allowed in, unfortunately. Unless it's like there's more farther down this road, I don't know. I don't have enough gas, unfortunately, to go check it out. Oh, that's the house right there. Fuck. Time to go. I didn't realize it was that close. Decided it wants to make me walk. Ooh la la. Good news is it's only like a 10-minute walk. Bad news is I don't want to walk. So set that like that. Maybe we'll get a quick thumbnail. Can you see it? I can see it. Be very careful. We're hunting the 85. Be very, very quiet.